So let's talk about how to do this, right? Like, what are our tax-free reimbursement options that are provided under the guidelines of the IRS? And what can we do to leverage this easily? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at IRS-approved reimbursement types. Then we're going to walk through building reimbursement rates. So what the process looks like, what can be considered, how to choose which type's right for you. And then lastly, we're going to be talking about how to leverage effective mobile support tools to make sure that your program can come to life in a sustainable and an easy way. Okay, so there are three tax-free reimbursement methods as recognized by the IRS across the United States today. Now, every single company is going to be different, as I mentioned before. You'll have different territory sizes, customer and site locations, and you'll have employees with different driving frequencies. And you'll also have unique success metrics that are important to you and your company at different phases of your life cycle. So these factors need to be taken into account. There is never a one size fits all for all companies. Even within the chemical distribution space, you'll see differences. So the best way to increase the ROI on your programs and to fight inflation effectively is to select and manage a program or a group of programs that are best suited for your employees' real behaviors. And we're going to be sharing some tips on how to do this today. So just starting on the left side of the screen here, looking at cents per mile, it's also sometimes called mileage reimbursement, very, very common. It's best suited for low mileage, occasional drivers, and it's tax-free on captured business mileage. More on this to come. Second, we have tax-free or accountable car allowances, very similar to a taxable version, but just takes the tax off, which can support payment being up to 100% tax-free using an IRS publication called 463. Again, more on this later. We won't get too much in the weeds. But then finally, the most common vehicle reimbursement approach is fixed and variable rate reimbursement, which, if done correctly, is 100% tax-free. Yep, 100%, and leverages up-to-date market cost data. Now, of course, each program you see here requires one similar thing, and that's effective business mileage reporting and software tools to enable this in a really simple full cycle way, make it easy as possible, and to really streamline attractive reimbursements.